Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple process of activating your code on Connect CanalPlus. Follow these easy steps to get started. Open the CanalPlus website. Start by opening your browser and going to the official CanalPlus website, https://connect.canalplus.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding. Log in to your account. If you already have a CanalPlus account, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, create one by selecting the Sign Up option and filling in the required details. Enter the code. Once logged in, navigate to the Activation page. Here, you will see a field to enter your code. Type the activation code that you received in the provided box. Double-check for any typos to avoid errors. Confirm the code. After entering the code, click the Activate button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the code has been successfully activated. Enjoy the content. After the activation process is complete, you'll gain full access to CanalPlus content. Start exploring your subscriptions and enjoy streaming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. We'll see you in the next video.